Hello, Lehigh Carbon Community College. My name is Michael, and I'm a learning specialist here with Educational Support Services. Welcome to 60 Seconds to Success. Today we're going to be looking at a very important aspect of our lives and who we are as people, and that's willpower. Our willpower as human beings breaks sometimes. It just does. We don't have unlimited willpower. It's finite. Right? On a given course of the day, we might be able to hold our willpower for a long time, but then eventually we weaken. This is why we have trouble sticking to diets. This is why we have a hard time being dedicated to different things we need to be doing. Right? The good news is it's renewable. Willpower recharges over time. The key to keeping your willpower renewed is balancing your self-discipline and your self-care. Those two things are key. We can't always be completely disciplined if we're not taking care of ourselves. So remember, willpower is important. It's finite. It's renewable. Take care of yourselves. Have a good one.